How to make things happen in your hometown, part 2. I had to release another video because I don't know, I was going live and I had some issues with my phone where it kind of froze up on me. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about it because I had a few more things in my mind before that happened this morning. And I wanted to come to you and talk to you about that. And one of the main things that comes with standing out in your hometown is leading by example, thinking outside of the box, and doing and saying exactly what you say you can do. Those things right there is going to help you open up doors for other people. Because most of the time, like I say, in these small towns where we grew up at, a lot of the people that we love, a lot of people that we respect, they ain't been nowhere, family. They haven't seen no big cities. They haven't seen the lifestyles and the things that we have been doing. Like, they don't see those type of things, you know what I mean? So it's hard to hold a conversation with them on real big scale things if you know that they haven't experienced that yet. So we have to be humble, the people that has left, to be able to come down to get on their level and help them. Like Christ say, he got a message that for the grown people and for the children. But until you can be like a child, it's going to be hard for you to accept the truth. So I think coming back home to your hometown, I think it's very, very important that we would lead by example. Make things simple and easy that anyone can comprehend it, anyone can understand it. And I think that you'll do better that way than trying to make things complicated and hard for them, you know, for your native people. So I'm at home right now in my hometown, McGee, Arkansas. Haven't been here in a while. Trying to get my mom's house together so, you know, we can migrate and hopefully open up some more doors. But I got to start somewhere. And I mean, I'm not going to tell you that it's been easy, and I'm not going to say it's been fun the whole time. But we're getting things done. In order to make things happen, though, where you're from, you got to be willing to think outside of the box. You got to lead by example. And you got to be able to stand on your word. Whatever it is that you say you do, you're going to have to do it, family. And you're going to have to be the best at it, you know. And once again, I want to say skilled tradesmen are dying off. There's not a lot of skilled tradesmen, especially in the black communities. And we need to have our own builders, electricians, welders, plumbers, all of that. Those are assets. Because even when the rich get paid, you know who they go get? The tradesmen to build whatever it is they trying to build. So I just want to say that having a skilled trade is very important. And one thing that makes me an asset, me coming back to my hometown, is I'm actually going to start building skills, help people get their hog on as well, teaching them independent welding, teaching them how to fabricate, teaching them how to install, teaching them how to turn a trade into a business. And to me, that's how I'm going to make things happen here. It's because I come here with a different perspective. I'm going to lead by example with the work I'm doing, you know, everything. Like, just lead by example, man. You know, it's not going to be easy, family. But I'm going to tell you something. When you do it, where you from, they're going to respect you. They're going to show you some organic love. You're always going to have the haters here and there. But on the majority scale, you're going to get the love that you're looking for. And you just have to be humble enough to know that why you're doing it. And I'm doing it because I really want to see people win. I want to see the people win where I come from. I want to make sure the generations under me get some of the information that I wish I would have had when I was that age. So in order for me to break the curse, I feel that we got to go outside with some bolt cutters and cut this chain. And that's what I'm willing to do. That's how I'm going to get my hog on in my hometown, family. Breaking chains. Hog on.